In this video, I'm going to show you how to move a stop loss on TradingView mobile app. Now, the easiest way to do this and the most convenient is to simply go to the bottom right of your chart where you can see your broker icon, so the one you are connected to. Currently, I'm connected to paper trading, so there's a TradingView logo, and you want to tap on that, which in my case is going to be down here bottom right. There we go. And it's going to open up, of course, your broker kind of status right now. Then you can see you have positions, orders, order history, etc. You want to find the order where you have a stop loss, and for me it's going to be this first one. As you can see, it says type is stop loss. I can simply tap on that specific order and then tap on modify order over here, and then it's going to allow me to basically change the stop loss. So right now, as you can see, the stop loss price is 71,888. If I want to change this to, for example, 71,900, I can do that just like this, and there we go. That's really all you have to do. Then tap on confirm, and that's how you move a stop loss on TradingView mobile app. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.